Today we show you in a short video how you can easily perform a calculation in WinTHS. As you can see, we are in the start screen of WinTHS. First of all, we can give our project a name here in the designation field. The name for the project is Fold Insulating Glass. We start here on the left side and begin with climate and orientation. We open the climate and orientation and choose which location we have. For today's calculation, we will take Frankfurt as the location. On the left you see the representative days for which calculations are made. In the middle you see the temperature curve. And you can select the orientation via drop-down menu. The next step is the frame. We want to use an all-sided bearing and the glass edge should be cut. After we have defined the frame, we can now start with the construction. We now go back to our object data on the left and start defining the structure. The glass we use here is the basic glass of summer informatics. Then we take a suitable composite layer, which is the PVB foil. Then again insert glass pane. After that we insert the gas space. To insert it, simply double-click on Aragon. Now we insert the middle pane, which is again standard glass from summer informatic. We put again a gas interspace. After that put the last glass into the calculation, again 2 times standard glass. And insert a composite layer via drag and drop between the 2 panes. Now we have here the basic structure. Now that the structure of the construction has been determined, we can let the software calculate it. Click on this icon to calculate. Let the software calculate and you see Proof Oak. Now you have an overview overall structure. On the first page of the result you can see the settings you defined in the previous steps and which location was used. Under stress comparison you can see which equations and which coefficients have been used. And then see if the proof of the calculation is OK. Thank you for your attention.